crispy.
You want this cheese full?
Oh my god! No!
Move it! Oh! How does he remember how to do that?
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Mike Evans in his last week for the Buccaneers. He is up today, however, he will be limited on a pitch count. Guys.
I just know my
Really?
Happy birthday, dear Maddie. Happy birthday to you.
Come on in.
I'm videoing it right now. I'm gonna laugh when she falls.
This is terrible.
Did the devil raise you?
puppy.
They went to the
The good stuff?
to the grave site.
Auntie, it's good.
Harry and I went there last weekend and it was full of weeds. We pulled weeds. Puppy. God, I gotta send this to Bill too.
I'm taking a video.
Raven, leave it. Nope.
Tells you anything different, he's a liar and a snake. You. Okay.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on.
Beauty?
Here. Yes. Yes, come on. Come on.
Будешь лимончик. Лимончик. Ой! Вкусно? Слюнки потекли, девка.
What are you doing? Or is it just that we're vulnerable already, George? Or is it just that we're vulnerable?
Catch it.
Buddy, Toby. Come on. Come on.
Having a Velcro dog. He's right there.
Mira lo que has hecho. Milan. Mira lo que has hecho. Oye. Hey.
No. No, Dakota, no.
Good boy. Good boy. Bradley.
Riley, what happened? What happened to you? Huh? What happened? Wait a minute.
Who fall? Stop messing with him.
Have a rough day, O'Haley. Excuse you? Diva much?
Prince, you're going to the pound.
Get out of my strap.
Stop it. Not bad.
How'd that get in there?
Who did this? Who did this? You going to doggy jail?
And hold paper towels. Just wipe it off on mess.
Take it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
The rent's due. Do you have your portion this month or no?
Hey!
Region. I think you'll stay sucked in just a little bit. The ring just scrape up into the
Yeah, that's good, man.
Look. Yeah, that's crazy.
This isn't Charlotte. No wonder I don't feel as clean.
Here's Charlotte Ultra Strong. Look, it's done.
Wearing the same shirt as me.
Oh, morning, Bro. Hi, guys.
You're both wearing the same. At least Paul's still my friend. Oh my lord. Actually, that looks good in green.
Shall we start the show? Welcome to the Great British Bake Off.
I usually do that. Last time. I love eating biscuits. I'm not sure about making them.
Putty. Oh, God. God. Are you? Oh, it's slippery.
I don't even know what's going on right now, but this is pretty freaking gross.
I know. Where did she get that? Come here, Stella.
А що це за звір такий?
Це Валера. Він у нас хорошенький.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
What are you doing? That is not how a dog sits, silly girl.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs and go to bed. Come on. Go upstairs.
How did you do this? What have you done?
You finna go use the bathroom? Y'all ain't gonna go outside? Bro.
Nothing, Dingo? Nothing? 4 minus 1. That is right, it's 3. Hey, buddy. What is the cubed root of 8? That is right, it's 2.
Toot Toot, I need to put the car in reverse. Toot Toot, I need to go backwards. Okay, lovely.
People, stop. I'm gonna show your mum.
Okay.
Cool dinosaur you got. Can I see your dino? Oh, thank you.
Excuse me, sir? What are you doing?
Marley, no! Marley, no!
Spazzino di Civitavecchia.
Oh mio Dio! Mi sento male.
Bandit, it's time for your bath. It's time for your bath. Do you want a bath? Come on. Bath time. Bath time. No, bath. Bath?
I haven't even said anything. Oi, what's that? Nova? Look at me. Nova? What's that? What's that?
¡No! Quieto. No. No. No se ladra, mamá. No.
Who is the biggest baby? Yeah, you are.
And get a mini tummy stuffer too.
Давай, сейчас не позорь. Свинь, позорь писать. Свинь, дивись.
You want pets? What happens if I pet your brother? Give you pets?
Nah.
Kill him. Who's the hand?
Ow! It's my fault.
Who did this?
What did you do? Did you do this to the couch? Chance, did you do that? Look at me.
Jak ty wyglądasz?
Senna, drop the cat now! Senna! Are you crazy?
Ow!
I don't give two fucks, but I am telling you right now, that motherfucker back there is not real.
Okay, Bo.
I would die for you.
Aww. Wipe the paws. Wipe the paws. Wipe the paws. Wipe them. Wipe them. Good girl.
Hey.
Why are you so scared, Mila?
Only time his bitch ass wanna listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy? This what you want? Huh? Here.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.